Presented by ChurchTechU.com, it's the ProPresenter Show. On today's show, how to format a number as a superscript. Hi and welcome again, my friends and fellow Eternity Changers, to the ProPresenter Show. This is the show where I help you learn about ProPresenter. My name's Paul Allen Clifford, and before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell icon so that you can be among the first to learn the new tips and tricks I share. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to maintain a superscript when you change templates. But what if you've already made the mistake of turning it into a regular number, or you have a number that needs to be a superscript? How do you fix that? Well, let's head over to my computer and take a look. You'll notice that this number right here, number 9, is a regular number. Yet when ProPresenter brings in scripture, if you have it showing verse numbers, it brings them in as a subscript. What happened was I applied a template without changing the correct setting so that it didn't change the superscript, so it did. It changed it to a regular number. So let me show you how to fix that if you have other scripture that's already done like that. If you want to know how to apply a template without changing the superscript, I've got another tutorial for that, and I'll leave a link below this video for that one. So let's start off by right-clicking, Edit Slide. Now let's select just the number 9. Oops. There we go. Now go up to Format, Font, Baseline, Superscript. Now you'll notice that this is up higher than all the other stuff, so that is in fact a superscript. So I'm going to click show down here, and I want you to watch up here while I do it. Okay, ready? And I'm clicking it now. Okay, so now you see exactly what it looks like. Now you might have to tweak other stuff. So and this particular verse is very long, so I would need to tweak the text box to keep it from cutting off, but you get the gist. That is really the simple trick you use to turn a regular number into a superscript. You've probably never popped into that menu before, but now you know it's under Format, then Font, then Baseline, Superscript. Whether you're in the editor or quick editor, it works. So you can pick either way to edit depending on the time or your needs. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. But if you really want to level up your ProPresenter knowledge, don't forget that you can enroll in any of my ProPresenter mini courses for free. Just go to tdm.fyi/tutorialsmini. Until next time, this is Paul Allen Clifford from TrinityDigitalMedia.com and ChurchTechU.com, reminding you to go out and change eternity.